Today I'm going to take apart a digital video recorder. And I think I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I think I need to make a control board that allows you to test circuits. Now when you're taking apart electronics, a good thing to have is one of these specialty kits. It's got all the special bits. You want to take apart a Nintendo? You can do it. You want to take apart a DirectV? You can do it. Mom, Dad, look away. I'm about to break a warranty. I was actually surprised how little is in these boxes. Regardless, I think both circuit boards are pretty interesting. And honestly, I think nearly every part of this DVR could be used in a Star Wars prop. Sometimes when I start creating things, I just start by grabbing parts and building around it, with no particular plan in place. This is one of those moments. If you haven't noticed yet, I love panel openings with a motherboard exposed. And many of my props all have been neat uniform boxes, but this time I want some odd angles to create some interest. Some silver paint as an undercoat allows for some easy chipping effect. Then comes some dark gray. Yep, you heard it, more monochromatic paint, and I'm not apologizing for it. I think the DVR bezel switchboard should be right on top, just begging for family and friends to be tempted to press all the buttons, and to allow the motherboard to just sit there below the panel surface. And I'm going to build a back panel for it to rest on. Now this prep would not be right without carefully selecting some appropriate Greebles. I love these bezel holders. They practically sell the aesthetic all on their own. Alright, so I've been making a few panels, and I've been putting some circuit boards in them, and I've been really wanting to make the boards themselves come alive. They already have the circuitry, why not just add a little bit more? So I've got these push buttons, and they got the contacts on the back, and I was thinking, why not make some of these buttons activate lights within the panel itself? So let's try and test one. And the easiest way to do that is make a simple circuit. So to test this, we need a switch, we need the LED, and we need some power. So to proceed, we need to find the one with resistor, which is the brown wire. So let's connect that to the positive. And since we're going through the switch, I've already mapped it out, you can see the marks here. Hook the negative on one side. Just need to press the switch so it becomes a closed circuit. Now before assembling everything, I just want to solder one piece and make sure it still works. Yep, it works. And here's the schematic of the circuit that I built. Now all your family and friends have to do is figure out which buttons actuate which remaining LEDs. Now I can't tell you how many weathering videos and tutorials I've watched, but this is my way of doing it. I just kind of blotch a little bit of the material here and there, and then I just feather it away. Wipe a little bit away, add some more, rinse, repeat, and then it just kind of takes form. About the only thing I really try and do is I try and make sure that gravity is kind of pulling the stains down so that it looks like it really happened.